Close your eyes and take a moment to simply arrive. Take a slow breath in and let it all go. Another breath and allow yourself to become a little quieter. Now, imagine that you are walking somewhere you have never been before. You don't have a map. You don't know what is waiting around the next turn. You simply know that there is a path beneath your feet, and for now, that is enough. Notice what happens when you allow yourself not to know. You don't have to predict the next moment. You don't have to prepare for every possibility. You don't have to decide where the path should take you. You can simply walk and discover. Perhaps you have spent a long time trying to make things happen, trying to understand, trying to anticipate, trying to find the right direction before taking the first step. And for a moment, let all of that soften. What if you didn't have to know? What if the path could reveal itself as you walked? What if you could trust yourself to meet whatever comes, when it comes? Bring your awareness gently to your heart and imagine opening a little space there. Not asking your heart for an answer, simply allowing yourself to listen. The heart doesn't always speak in words. Sometimes it speaks through a quiet knowing, a feeling, a sense, and sometimes it simply says, "Wait." Perhaps your heart knows something your mind cannot yet explain. Perhaps the answer is not a certainty, but a willingness. A willingness to take one step and then another one. Let yourself be available to your journey. Not with certainty, but with curiosity. Not with control, but with trust. Not knowing exactly where you are going, but trusting yourself to meet the next moment when it arrives. Take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, soften your grip on the future. Let it be unknown. Let it unfold. Quietly remind yourself, I don't need to know the whole path. I can participate in the unfolding. Stay here for a few breaths, with your heart open, your attention present, and your future unwritten. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Begin to notice the room around you, the sounds, the space. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Welcome back.